All right, guys, it's been a hot minute, but finally back here on track with the BRZ. It's been 3 or so months since I've tracked the BRZ. Surprisingly, I've actually made a lot of changes to the car since the last time I tracked it. I've got the Kumho V730 tires. They're 200 tread wear, 225/45 on a 17 by 8 inch NK wheel. The Raybestos ST45 front pads, still running the same Power Stop Track Day spec pads in the back. And I added the OEM crash bolts as well as the SPC camber bolts, giving me 2.6 degrees of negative camber up front with stock suspension, which I'm really happy about. I'm excited to see how that changes the front end feel of this car. Rear camber is still stock at 1.7 to 1.8 degrees, zero front toe, 0.3 inches of rear total toe in. Back in the springtime, I got my oil temp up to 255 or so degrees Fahrenheit, which is hotter than I would like for a 70-degree Fahrenheit track day. So let's see how the color fittings oil cooler performs out here today. It's 100 degrees outside.
207.16. Good apex. Next right, track out further. Above average. Next right, apex later. Nice work. Left, brake less. Nice work.
Man, this car feels so much better now. Even with stock suspension, stock power, stock aero, stock brakes with just pads and fluid, camber mods, and a proper set of tires, Kumho V730s. Even in 225, a fairly narrow size, this car feels so much more neutral. The front end just grips. I can really trust it now. And the rear end, the rear end of the BRZ is one of my favorite parts of the car. I'm an ass man, what can I say? The car's not as playful as it was before because the limits are so much higher. The grip breakaway for these tires is much more abrupt than obviously the stock Michelin Primacy or Pilot Sport 4s, but it's still a very easy car to control at the limit with these higher grip tires. Oftentimes when you put sticky tires and proper suspension on a rear-wheel drive car, it often makes the handling balance of the car quite snappy and much harder to control. But with the BRZ, because it's so forgiving to begin with, it still feels plenty controllable with these mods. Oil temps thankfully only got up to around 255 degrees Fahrenheit, same as the first session. I give a solid thumbs up to this Color Fittings oil cooler. If you second gen BRZ and GR86 owners out there want to give this oil cooler a shot, use my custom promo code at the link down in the video description for a discount. Did a 206.72 this session. My goal for the day was to do a 206. So I've already hit that goal. Now I want to see in the third session if I can possibly hit a 205. I think I would be pretty happy with that time. 2 sessions down, 3 to go, maybe only 2 if I get tired. This is a nighttime track day after all. It's already 7:17 p.m. and we got 3 sessions to go.
207.43. right. Track out further. Above average. Next left, turn in earlier. Nice work. Next right, apex earlier.
Whoopsie daisy. What the hell? Left side is supposed to be the fast lane. Oh my god, there's gonna be so much traffic.
It's gonna be insane. flag station, and I thought that's where the apex was.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
Well, good thing I didn't think that.
Yeah, I was all like, yeah, you're about to go off, and then you actually turned. I'm like, oh my god.
Yeah, that was scary, man.
Yeah.
I was driving like 70%, like I couldn't push. Yeah, I'm not gonna do the next session. I mean, it's fun, don't get me wrong, it's really cool seeing all the tail lights and everything, but I can't really push, and I kind of want to get home before 1 a.m. and in one piece.
This is the car taking you home too.
Yeah, exactly. I did a 206 in the dry with an optimal 205.44.
That's pretty fast.
So I was pretty happy with that. Fun times at Thunder Hill with Speed SF. See y'all next time.